Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey everyone, my name is Riza Afgani. My student's number is 192122121 from class D. Today I will do 14 tips to optimizing Google search engine. Okay, first you can use the quotation. For example, I want to search about how to use CLT, and then as you can see that if you use quotation, you can see that the search all is about the CLT. Okay, next tip is using hyphen. For example, you want to search about Johannes hyphen Kepler. As you can see that hyphen is using for exclude the word. That in the search and in the search that you can't see any article about Johannes Kepler. Next is using a column. For example, you want to search about Johannes Kepler column. You can write a site. For example, I will write about Wikipedia. That as you can see that this you can see both the article of Johannes Kepler in Wikipedia. Next is about you can use multiple search topic at once. For example, you want to search this, how to screenshot in Windows, and you must use or then write again how to record in Windows. Okay, as you can see that here, yes, it's lag because there is not much about this search. You can see that this is how to screen and how to record. You will see two topics at once if you use this technique. Okay, next is you can use the search engine using stars. For example, you can use search engine using star to search for sentence with a few missing words. For example, you want to search about a song lyric or a film like this. I will search Science Uso. So you can see that you will, even if you don't, for example, that if you don't remember the title of the film, you can use the sign of star to make Google search the film itself. Okay, next I will use then okay, I'm sorry, the next tip is about fine range number. Okay, For example, you want to know who win the badminton Olympic point 2020. Okay. Here you can see the result that the winner of badminton in 2021 is Yuki from China and Gracelia Poli of Indonesia and Afgani Rahai. Okay, next tips is find simple thing using search engine. For example, you want to search the nearest supermarket near me. As you can see, you will know that the nearest supermarket in your place is all of them are here. The next tip is find a similar site. For example, you want to find a site that related to the tick.com or Wikipedia. Now, as you can see that you will get the similar site or alternative site to Wikipedia. Okay, next tip is about using keywords. For example, you want to using keyword like, for example, you want to know the nearest pizza restaurant in my place. Here, you can see the nearest pizza restaurant in your place. Okay, next is using the words that professional website use. For example, if you use this word, for example, my tooth is hurt. You can't see the real for your tooth hurt. But if you use the professional website word like this, how to real life to touch. Here you can see the reliever for your tooth edge. Okay, next is easily compare anything. For example, you want to know the 10 ringgit to IDR. Here, you will know that 10 Malaysian ringgit equals to 33,000 Indonesian rupiah. Next is spelling doesn't matter. That if you want to search, for example, music, the word of the spelling is doesn't matter in the search engine. For example, I will use this. As you can see, the spelling in the search engine is doesn't matter. Even if you write something like this, the result will be count itself. Okay, next is find the specific file. For example, you want to find how to use CLT. Write file type. For example, you want the PDF file for this. You can write PDF. As you can see that there are this is the PDF file. There is no like PPT or anything. But if you want the file PPT, you can write PPT. As you can see that you will see the PPT file. And the last is you can use Google search to do math. You can use calculator Google. For example, you want to know the answer of 1 plus 100 plus 100 mean 99 19 and cross 0. Enter. As you can see that it will automatically bring you to the calculator itself. Okay, that's it for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.